On a quiet day near Reutlingen, Germany, a video was captured that has left many people scratching their heads. The video is split into two frames, with one frame showing two alien beings walking around their landed spacecraft, and the other frame showing their ship zipping away. The video has gone viral, with many people speculating about its authenticity and what it could mean. Some are convinced that it is evidence of extraterrestrial life, while others are skeptical and believe that it is a hoax. But when testing the video frame by frame, we discover something very interesting, which is the transformation of the flying saucer into a state similar to the plasma state, and this is what humans have not yet reached. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of the video is the appearance of the aliens themselves. In the frame showing the two beings walking around their spacecraft, they appear to be humanoid in shape, with long arms and legs and a large head. They are dressed in what appears to be some sort of white suit, and they move around with a fluidity that suggests they are comfortable in their environment. The spacecraft itself is also fascinating to look at. It appears to be a large, metallic object with a rounded shape and no visible means of propulsion. It is unclear how it is able to move through the air or space, but it seems to be highly advanced technology. In other frame, we see the spacecraft zipping away, leaving behind a trail of light. This suggests that it is capable of traveling at incredibly high speeds, which is another indication of its advanced technology. As soon as the flying saucer started to launch, it seemed to turn into a plasma state, which is a technology that humans have not yet reached. Plasma is a state of matter that is not commonly found on Earth. It is a highly charged gas that is made up of ions and electrons, and it is typically created by heating a gas to extremely high temperatures. Plasma is often referred to as the fourth state of matter, after solids, liquids, and gases. In recent years, there have been numerous reports of UFOs and flying saucers that appear to transform into a plasma state. These objects are often described as glowing or pulsating, and they are capable of moving at high speeds and making sudden, sharp turns. Scientists have been studying these phenomena for many years, and there are several theories about how flying saucers might be able to transform into a plasma state. Some researchers believe that these objects are able to harness the energy of the surrounding environment and convert it into plasma, while others suggest that they may be using advanced propulsion systems that rely on plasma technology. Regardless of how flying saucers are able to transform into plasma, there is growing evidence that suggests that this phenomenon is real. Researchers have used advanced imaging techniques to capture images of UFOs and flying saucers that appear to be in a plasma state, and there have been numerous eyewitness accounts of these objects. The implications of this research are significant. If flying saucers are able to transform into a plasma state, it suggests that they are using technology that is far beyond anything that we currently understand. It also raises important questions about the nature of physics and the potential for new discoveries in this field. Furthermore, the discovery of plasma-based propulsion systems could have important implications for space exploration and travel. If we are able to harness the power of plasma, we may be able to develop spacecraft that are capable of traveling at much higher speeds and exploring more distant parts of the universe. Regardless of whether the video is real or not, it raises interesting questions about the possibility of life beyond our planet. For centuries, humans have wondered whether we are alone in the universe, and while there is no concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, there are many who believe that it is out there. Of course, there are many who are skeptical of the video and believe that it is a hoax. There are many video editing tools available that can be used to create convincing videos of this kind, and it is possible that this is simply a well-executed prank. The idea of flying saucers and UFOs has long been a source of fascination for people around the world. While there is much debate about whether these sightings are evidence of extraterrestrial life, there is a growing body of research that suggests that these objects may be capable of transforming into a plasma state. The transformation of flying saucers into the plasma state remains a topic of intense research and debate. While there is still much that we do not understand about this phenomenon, the growing body of evidence suggests that we may be on the brink of a major breakthrough in our understanding of physics and the potential for advanced technologies. There have been numerous debates about the authenticity of the video, with experts and enthusiasts weighing in on both sides. Some have pointed out inconsistencies in the footage and suggested that it is a hoax, while others have argued that the movements of the beings in the video are consistent with what we might expect from extraterrestrial creatures. However, even if it is a hoax, it is still worth considering the implications of the video. The fact that there are people out there who are willing to create elaborate hoaxes like this suggests that there is a deep fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial life. It speaks to a fundamental human desire to explore and discover new things, and to push the boundaries of what we know and understand. The video near Reutlingen, Germany, remains a mystery. Whether it is evidence of extraterrestrial life or simply a clever hoax, it has captured the imagination of people around the world, and sparked important discussions about the possibility of life beyond our planet. The plasma state of UFOs refers to the hypothesis that unidentified flying objects, UFOs, may exhibit characteristics associated with plasma, a distinct state of matter. In this context, plasma is an ionized gas consisting of charged particles, such as electrons and ions, that can carry electric currents. According to some theories, UFOs may generate or interact with plasma in various ways. It is suggested that the intense luminosity and unusual behavior reported in certain UFO sightings could be attributed to the presence of plasma. This hypothesis proposes that the UFOs create a plasma field around themselves, which can manifest as glowing or pulsating lights, changes in color, and dynamic movements. The plasma state of UFOs is often invoked to explain phenomena such as rapid acceleration, sudden stops, sharp turns, and the ability to maneuver in ways that defy conventional aircraft capabilities. It is theorized that the manipulation of plasma fields could enable UFOs to generate lift, reduce air resistance, and potentially achieve high speeds without experiencing the same physical limitations as traditional aircraft. The 1981 Carlos Diaz UFO incident is one of the most important evidence of the ability of unidentified flying objects to transform into a plasma state. The belief that UFOs do not exist is held by many, who speculate that these sightings are simply a result of secret technology being tested in the future. Due to our lack of knowledge about such technology, these objects are perceived as unknown.